Hi, thanks for taking a minute for this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Hey, and if you go over to YouTube, there's a thumbnail in there that contains a QR code which will link you right to the Google document that I'm going to reference when I talk about this episode today, which is where are drone companies taking flight across the United States. So what are they offering? Flying high with drone companies. That could be a part of your future for your business, for your service, whether it's a rental of a drone or if it's aerial photography. I did a search on Google and I logged in as a drone powered photography near me is what I put in. And I came back with results from right here in the neighborhood, even in Benton City. And if you're familiar with Washington State, you know Benton City's not that large of a community. Anyway, take a minute and take a look. I think you're going to like what you see about the drone companies, and incorporating that and using that as part of your business might be on the menu. Today's a new Monday. Happy Monday. Hi. The reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like, okay? It's a wrap.